Good morning, y'all. So I'm on my way to work, and yes, I still work a 9 to 5. Well, a 8 to 2, but I'm on my way to work right now, and oh my gosh, do y'all see this pimple on my face? My kids at work keep on pointing it out, saying like, "What's wrong with your face?" But nevertheless, I'm still on my way to work, and today is just basically gonna be like a day in the life. So go to work, got some stuff to handle for my business, then cooking, dinner, all that type of stuff. It's gonna be a different type of video. Usually, like, I don't show you guys all of that, but I want y'all to know me a little bit more. What's the best way to do that is to show you guys. But all right, I'm going to work. I guess I'll see y'all after work. Yeah.
5 hours later.
All right, y'all, so I just got off of work, and right now I got a couple errands to run. I'm so exhausted from work. It's like working a job and then still having to do all this stuff after work. It stressed me out. Like, just make me a millionaire by tomorrow. If y'all don't know, I work with kids with special needs, so like the job is super rewarding, but at the same time it's very draining, like, so to say. Like, just dealing with all of the different behaviors from day to day, it could be a bit much, but nevertheless, I'm grateful to have a job, and I do love the kids that I work with, so a win is a win, right? But I have to go to Joanns, and I gotta go to the market to get dinner for tonight. If y'all didn't know, Joanns is going out of business, so they're having like markdowns and stuff like that. Let me know if y'all went to any of the Joanns in your area. What are the sales looking like? I'm about to go to this one closer to my job, see what the sales looking like. Hopefully they're good, because I do need scissors, but I really don't need nothing else out of this store. I kind of stopped shopping at Joanns probably like a year ago, just because I felt like the prices was like overpriced compared to buying it off of Amazon or just buying it from somewhere else. So let's see what these discounts look like. Hopefully they discounting, because I will buy some stuff, but I'm trying to give myself a strict budget because I don't need to be in here. So about $50 is the budget for Joanns, and I'm gonna say $50 is the budget too for the market, because I don't need to be in there either. I just went food shopping and spent like $400 a week ago on food. So let's go. Let's see what these discounts looking like. Hopefully they looking real discounty and good. All right, yo, we here in this parking lot. Oh my god, this parking lot looking full. I never see this parking lot looking full, but I hope all these people not here for Joanns. Like, it don't look full because I didn't walk through half the parking lot already, but this is the Joanns, and I really hope all these people are not inside, because I want to see the discount. Oh shoot, y'all, they say all sales are final, no return on the door. I'm scared. Why am I scared? I don't know. So it's looking a little bare in here, I'm not even gonna lie. Like, sorry. It's looking a little bare in here, but where's the discounts? Like, are y'all going out of business or not? These are just 25% off. I was looking for like more of a bigger discount, maybe 40%. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. This is stabilizers, but they're not really at no huge discount. $18.99. So it'll still be around like $14. Nah. It's only like $4 off. 10% off. Where's the discounts? This is what I came for, more so like scissors and rotary knives. They are 25% off, like the other stuff. Really not that great, honestly. I feel like I can get these for around that price on Amazon, even with the 25% off. So, and I was interested in a cutting mat too. This really big cutting mat is $64. So around $48 now on discount. Not bad, but not going out of business is good. You know what I'm saying? But this is just more stuff. Storage, 20% off. Let's look around some more. I'm gonna look at some fabrics. Alright, so I do see these scissors. There's 2 in a pick. They're $7.97. This is pretty good. I'm probably gonna get 2 sets of these. I never heard of this brand before, but we can try it out. Actually get 2 different colors. Yeah, so they do have 40% off of threads, and this is more so what I was looking for, like this type of discount. I am going to get like just like my primary colors, so red. I don't see black. I don't see white. I do see this one, but they look already beat up, so no. But I'm just gonna grab some primary colors, just because you can never have enough of those. They also have the Scully threads too. As y'all can see, they have like the fabrics, they're 30% off. And I don't think I really need any fabrics, but I probably will look at one of these. No, that's just me spending money. I told myself I had a $50 budget and I'm going to stick to it. So just showing you guys. Like I said, I just got some threads and some scissors so far. So as y'all know, Joanns sells t-shirts and sweatshirts. They're 20% off. Still a little bit high because 20% off of $4.99 is only $4. So, but if you've been buying your shirts from Joanns, this is a good deal. You get $1 off every shirt. And they also have sweatshirts here in the front as well, and they're 20% off. So with the discount, that makes them $12.80. Pretty good though, if this is where you was buying your shirts from anyway. But yeah. Alright, y'all, so I just left out of Joanns. Honestly, I didn't really get much. Scissors, a cake pan, some thread. I spent $26. That was too much. I feel like I would have spent $26 on a regular. So next spot, I'm about to go to the market just to get this stuff. But yeah, I forgot to tell y'all that all the sales is final. You can't use your teacher discount, military discount, points. Can't use none of that. So yeah, you just want to take your little 10%, 20% sales. Don't try to mix it with no other coupons either. And they don't have bags. And for some odd reason, this one didn't have shopping carts. I found one, but it was only like 3 in the whole store, the lady said. But let's go to the market. So the first thing you're going to need, of course, is some bread. So a hoagie roll. I get the Amoroso rolls because it's definitely a Philly native, but these ones feel hard. So let me grab a different one. But yeah, that's the first thing you're going to need. The thing you're going to need is some cheese. Cooper Sharp to be exact, or American cheese. But quarter pound of Cooper Sharp cheese. Yeah. Then me being me, I'm gonna give me a pickle because I like pickles on my cheesesteak. A lot of people don't. That's not a Philly thing. So don't be sitting here saying I told y'all that. But yeah, let me get 1 pickle just so I can chop this up. We got the Cooper Sharp, we got the cheese, we got the pickle. Now we just need the meat. This part is loud. So we're gonna grab one of these steakums and then one of these shaved beef steaks. So me personally, that's how I like to do it. I take those two meats and I mix them, only because I feel like the steakums, it gives you like a greasy texture that you want. And the ribeye meat, it don't. It's like dry, but it's like real good quality meat. So I mix both of them so I can get the grease and a good quality. Whatever, y'all see when I make it.